Hello, how do we solve this kind of problem? We have two systems of equation, and the question says x plus y equals what? So here is the solution. So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So we are going to add equation 1 and 2 together. So we're going to have x root y plus x root x plus y root x plus y root y equals 182 plus 183, that is 365. So now, let's isolate the common terms. X is here, x is also here. So let us pull it out. We have x into root y plus square root of x plus y is also common here. So we have y into square root of y plus square root of x equals 365. So you will observe that this guy is common. So let us pull it out. We have square root of y plus square root of x times x plus y equals what? 365. So the next step is that we are going to divide both sides of this equation by root y plus root x. So we have root y plus root x over root y plus square root of x. So this gives x plus y equals 365 over square root of y plus square root of x. So let's call this equation 3. So now we have to recall the cubic identity. That is, we have cubic identity which says a plus b cubed is the same thing as a cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cubed. That is, when you expand this guy, you are going to obtain this. So now let's consider the denominator here. That is square root of y plus square root of x. So we're going to have square root of y plus square root of x all cube. So in this case, a value of a is square root of y, a value of b is square root of x. So let us substitute all this value here. So we're going to have, when we plug in a here, which is square root of y, we're going to have square root of y all cube plus 3 into square root of y square times b, which is square root of x, plus what? That is 3 times square root of y times b, which is square root of x all square plus what is b? That is square root of x. We have square root of x all cube. So now let's proceed further. So this equals, we can write this guy as square root of y square times square root of y plus this guy square 2 cancel the square root, so we have 3y left. So we also have square root of x plus likewise this guy 2 cancel the square root, so we are left with 3x times square root of y plus we can also rewrite this guy as square root of x all square times square root of x. So this equals 2 cancel the square root, so we have y times root y plus 3y times root x plus 3x root y plus this guy takes care of this as we have x root x left. So now let's isolate the common terms. So this equals y root y plus 3 is common, so let us pull it out. We have 3 into y root x plus x root y plus x root x. So let's write this equation. We're going to have y root y plus x root x plus 3 times y root x plus x root y. So now, you will observe that this guy is exactly what we have in equation, is it 1? Equation 2. That is, x root x plus y root y is equals to 183. This guy, we have x root x plus y root y, which is what we have in equation 2. So the value of this guy is 183. So we're going to plug in this value into this guy. So we're going to have 183 plus 3. You also observe that this guy is exactly what we have in equation 1. Y root x plus x root y. That is it. So we have y root x plus x root y to be equals 182. So we are going to plug this value in here. So we're going to have 182. So this equals 183 plus When we multiply this guy, we have 5, 4, 6. So this gives 729. So don't forget where we are coming from. We are coming from here. So we have square root of y plus square root of x all cubed. So this implies square root of y plus square root of x all cubed equals 729 can be written as 9 raised to the power 3. So since the exponent is the same, we can easily claim that square root of y plus square root of x is 9. So now we have obtained the value for the denominator of equation 3. That is this guy, square root of y plus square root of x is now 9. So we are going to plug in the value that we obtain here. So we're going to have, so let me call this equation 4. So now sub 4 into 3. So this is equation 3. So we're going to have x plus y equals what? 365 over square root of y plus square root of x, that is 9. So we have 9. So this is the required solution. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider to hit the subscribe button